Hi, welcome to Neppy Invest. Just a quick take on a company called Droneshield today. So you could probably figure out what they do, if you don't know already, by their name. So they are a counter-drone company. They do have technology that can take out drones that move or fly into unwanted areas like airports or such. And now, for disclosure purposes, I'm not a owner of this company. I've never been an owner, and I have no intention of buying Droneshield shares in the near future. But just because I don't doesn't mean you don't have to. So the whole point of this video is to give you an idea. So this is the idea. You can do further research on this company, and if you like what they do, and if you think they're quite bullish, have a bullish future, maybe you can buy some shares yourself. So that's the whole point of this, is to give you an idea. So the share price did go up 6% today. So I'll have a look at why that went up, and then I'll have a look at some of their financials, have a look at their charts and some of the announcements that did put a bit of a rocket up the share price in the past. In fact, one of them, we did see the share price rise by 62% in one day. So let's get into this company, Droneshield. First thing I'm going to do is look at their cash receipts from their quarterly cash flow reports. They are a fairly small company, market cap of 66 million and revenue of only 4 million in the trailing 12 months. And operating cash flow negative to the tune of -6 million. And the one thing I really that's really noticeable when you look at the graph of cash receipts in their past quarterly cash flow reports going all the way back to July 2016 is just the lumpiness of the cash receipts. So it seems like they get contracts and the money comes in for those contracts in all lumps. And you can see the record cash receipts in the quarter was $1.1 million in July 2019. And then in the most recent quarter, they only received about $200,000, and that was in October 2020. So moving forward, I like to see that lumpiness of cash receipts sort of be smoothed out moving forward. And that would actually be, I wouldn't say a trigger for me to buy, but it will be a trigger for me to become more interested in this company. Now, they have released a couple of bullish announcements in the last 3 weeks, and it's in regards to the upcoming quarter's cash receipts. And it does look like it's going to be a record cash receipts. And the first announcement on December 15, 2020, they didn't give a number to that, and it was 1.6 million. So that's a significant increase on the previous record, which was 1.1 million. They've actually upgraded the expected cash receipts on January 4th this year, and they've upgraded that to 2.1 million. So that's a significant increase on the previous record of 1.1 million, almost double. So again, I go back to the lumpiness of cash receipts. Who knows, maybe next quarter we'll see cash receipts go back down to 300,000. So again, moving forward, I like to see more of a smoothing out of those cash receipts. Now, this is the 1-year daily chart, and they have released a few very interesting announcements in the past about 7 months or so. So the first one was the 21st of May, and it was a contract with the European Union Police. And that's the announcement that saw the share price rise 62%. It was on increased volume, but nothing to be that excited about. And the share price, even though it did increase 62% from about 10 cents or 11 cents all the way up to about 17, 18 cents, the share price just drifted back and actually got down back to 10 cents in late July. And then around the time it got back to 10 cents, they released the next announcement, which was a USA Air Force contract, and the share price went up 35% on that announcement. Share price then again just drifted back. So a fair bit of selling in all these announcements. I think that selling is just shareholders that bought back, say, February, January, March of this year, the share price was a little bit higher, and they saw an opportunity to get out. Then the next announcement on the 10th of September, which was probably the biggest announcement in terms of volume. So they got the market the most interested. Share price only rose by 36%, but we haven't seen the share price drift back quite as quickly and as much as the previous two announcements. Has drifted back to around 17, 18 cents. And on the last two announcements, we haven't seen much interest in the market. We only saw the share price rise 6% today. So market hasn't been interested in the last two announcements, even though I'm more interested in those two announcements just because it is mentioning cash receipts numbers and record cash receipts. So that's all I've got on Droneshield. If you have any comments about this company, maybe if you're a shareholder and have got anything additional to add to this video, leave a comment. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial circumstances. That's all for this video. Have a good day. Bye.